Today, we're taking a look at the Dreame L50 Ultra. This is a newer release from Dreame and our 14th Dreame model we've tested. We've tested over 120 different robot vacuums, and Dreame is one of our favorite brands. We're excited to see how the L50 Ultra stacks up against the competition, especially because our friend Vacuum Wars has ranked it so highly. A big thank you to Dreame for sending this over, though just to be clear, this video isn't sponsored. As always, you'll get our honest, unfiltered thoughts. If you'd like to check it out yourself, there's a link in the description. Now let's get into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find a lot of cleaning accessories. You'll get the robot itself, a multi-purpose cleaning station with its ramp and separate power cord, mop pads, one bottle of solution, one spare dust bag, multi-purpose cleaning tool, and the usual product literature. Enough to last you for months, which is nice. Nobody wants to buy replacements right away. Setup is quick and simple. Plug in the dock, attach the magnetic mop pads, fill the clean water tank, add cleaning solution, and let it charge. Once that's done, just connect it to the Dreame Home app and you're ready to go. Right out of the box, the Dreame L50 Ultra looks almost identical to the X50 Ultra, and that's because it essentially is, minus the retractable LiDAR tower. That means it has some big shoes to fill. On the mopping side, it impressed us right away. Our LVP floors came out spotless, and the system fully automates washing, cleaning, solution dispensing, and drying. The base station even cleans itself, making the entire process hands-free. In our high-traffic, pet-filled home, it handled hair, crumbs, and fine dust with no problems. For vacuuming, it carries over Dreame's detangling dual brush with a conical design that prevents hair wrap, plus an extended side brush and mop extension for better edge coverage. It also features the same Pro Leap system as the X50, climbing thresholds up to 60mm with ease. Setup was quick, mapping was fast, and navigation felt smooth and reliable. We even had 2 firmware updates straight out of the box, and both installed in about 3 minutes each. When it comes to performance, the L50 Ultra more than holds its own. It has a very respectable 19,500 pascals of suction, which is 3 times the category average, and only 5,000 pascals less than the X50. For all that power, it's only 75 decibels on max, which is 2 decibels louder than the average, even though it's 3 times as powerful. Very impressive, and a friendly reminder, if you want the vacuum to be whisper quiet, just use it on the lowest suction setting. In our airflow test on carpet, it scored 480 FPM, way above the 423 FPM average. Oddly enough, in-use pressure topped out at just 0.22 kPa, which is below average. Our guess, as we've seen with every other dual brush equipped model, the design doesn't seal as tightly as some others, as it's a pattern we've seen over and over again on any Dreame or Mova model with this brush system. So what does all that power get you in the real world? A cleaning score of 95 out of 100. That's above the average of 87, but not the flawless score you'd expect from some amazing suction power. Still, I'm very glad it wasn't lower. It just proves that advertised pascals is often more marketing than meaningful. For context, it actually beat out the Dreame X50 Ultra by 5 points, which on paper has more suction power in the same roller system, so take it for what it is. Now, the mopping system is where things start to heat up. The L50 Ultra delivers 167° Fahrenheit hot water mop pad washing and 113° Fahrenheit hot air drying. Mop lift is average at 10.5mm, but here's the kicker. It can automatically detach and reattach mop pads at the base station. Translation, no dragging soggy pads across your carpets or rugs. It just drops them off before vacuuming carpet. The mop pads themselves are extendable on one side, reaching deeper into corners and around chair legs. There's also a dedicated cleaning solution tank with automatic dispensing, a small but very welcome quality of life upgrade. It does it all, washes the mop pads, washes the station, and self-empties dust. The only thing missing is ozone water treatment, which would help prevent that swampy smell dirty tanks get if left sitting too long. If you know, you know. The Dreame Home app, available on iOS and Android devices, gives you full control over your robot vacuum. You can fine-tune both vacuuming and mopping settings, build custom cleaning routines, and target specific rooms or zones. It supports multi-floor mapping, no-go zones, and voice control through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It even has its own built-in voice assistant and live video monitoring, both of which are also included on the X50 Ultra for those that are keeping track. Standout features include intensive carpet cleaning, off-peak charging, the option to activate the side brush specifically for carpets, and real-time maintenance tracking to help you stay on top of component upkeep. While the app does have a bit of a learning curve because of its depth, it's easily one of the most feature-rich and thoughtfully designed platforms I've tested. After trying all the major apps, it's my personal favorite, making Dreame my top pick overall. Roborock earns an honorable mention for its excellent app as well. Since its release, feedback has been largely positive with an average rating of 4.4 stars. Consumers consistently highlight its powerful cleaning performance, smooth navigation, and hands-off convenience thanks to features like hot water mop washing, mop lifting, auto empty docking, and the detangling dual brush that makes pet hair cleanup easier. Users like how quickly it maps rooms, how quietly it runs, and the fact that it requires little intervention day to day. On the downside, some report app glitches, occasional missed spots on certain floor types, shorter than expected battery life in larger homes, and note that at its premium price, they expect near flawless operation. Overall, most agree it delivers an advanced, reliable cleaning experience, but acknowledge there's still room for software refinements. So as mentioned earlier, what does Vacuum Wars think about it? Well, Vacuum Wars ranked the Dreame L50 Ultra as their current #1 robot vacuum, largely thanks to its exceptional cleaning performance and advanced features. In their testing, it delivered one of the best carpet deep clean scores they've ever recorded at around 90%, far above their average of 77. It also stood out for removing pet hair from carpet, an area where many robots struggle, and impressed with strong edge and corner cleaning thanks to its extending side brush and mop extension. The mop system with automatic washing, lifting, and drying combined with effective obstacle avoidance reinforced its position as a top-tier, truly hands-free machine. That said, they noted a few trade-offs. The L50 Ultra's battery runtime doesn't always reach its claimed potential, especially in larger or high-traffic homes, and its lowest mop water setting can leave tougher dried stains behind. While the automation and cleaning power are impressive, its price puts it squarely in the premium range, meaning not everyone will find it the best fit. Still, Vacuum Wars considers it one of the most complete packages available, offering both convenience and performance at a level that few competitors can match. And overall, Reddit users genuinely agree with this as well, that the Dreame L50 Ultra is one of the most complete flagship robot vacuums on the market. It's praised for its automation, taking care of vacuuming, mopping, mop washing, drying, and even trash emptying with very little manual upkeep. People like how well it maps and navigates, how easily it climbs thresholds thanks to its Pro Leap system, and how effective the dual brush design is at preventing tangles in homes with pets or long hair. Many say it delivers exactly what a premium robot vacuum should: reliable, hands-off cleaning. That said, it is Reddit after all, and there are some recurring complaints. The dock is loud, especially during mop washing and drying cycles, which can be disruptive if placed in a living space. Some users note that light mop settings aren't strong enough for dried stains, and battery performance can fall short of expectations in larger homes, despite its big 6,400 mAh capacity. A few people also feel that while it's a great machine, the price is high enough that it may only be worth it if you'll actually use the advanced automation features. Overall, Reddit's verdict is that the L50 Ultra is a strong choice for big households and pet owners, but may be overkill for simpler cleaning needs. Despite its impressive feature set, the L50 Ultra isn't without room for improvement, just like every other robot we test. It lacks a retractable LiDAR system, doesn't include extras like a silver ion module, UV light, or electrolyzed water, and its battery life could be stronger. The MSRP is on the high side as well, though frequent discounts do make it a much better value. Also, I want to mention obstacle avoidance can be hit or miss depending on your floor type. So on my carpet, for whatever reason, that carpet always trips up robot vacuums compared to the hard floor in my kitchen. So carpet color, carpet pattern, and then obviously the type of object you're trying to avoid could be hit or miss. Again, truly depending on length, color, size, you name it, results will vary. In the end, the Dreame L50 Ultra proves itself to be one of the most advanced robot vacuums that you can buy right now. It combines strong vacuuming power with smart automation, hot water mop washing, and an impressive dual brush system that really shines in homes with pets and long hair. While there are a few areas that could be improved, like battery life, noise during dog cleaning, and its premium price, it consistently delivers hands-off cleaning that rivals or beats the competition. If you're looking for a flagship robot that handles nearly everything for you, the L50 Ultra is easy to recommend, especially if you find it on sale. For households that want reliable automation and cleaner floors with less effort, it's one of the top options available today.